Hello YouTubers and longtime fans. This video is how to make pancakes in about 5 minutes. So here we have everything ready to go for these pancakes. I tend to put an egg in the pancake even though this recipe does not care for the egg. And there's 2/3 of milk times 2. And there's 2 cups of pancake mix. There's an egg batter. And we're going to make the pancakes all right here. So let's get started. First of all, we'll take a look at the recipe. This mix is really good. I like it a lot, and we're going to go with the 2-cup recipe right there. And we'll be doing just this in about a minute or 2 or 3 or 5 minutes. Let's get started. So now here we go, and we're just going to mix all this stuff in here. So first put in the 2 cups in this mixing cup. Add an egg, like that. Going to add 2/3 milk, and then another 2/3 of milk. And now we're going to mix it up with a mixer. Put the mixer on low and let's get going. And it helps when I turn the mixer on and go. So you want to start off slow here until things get mixed up and then go faster. We want to get the consistency of this mix sort of thick, so you might want to add more pancake batter if suitable or not. This is coming out a bit thin because of the egg. So I did sort of over subscribe this thing with liquid, so stop it. Let's put in a little more pancake mix. And in this case, there's a little bit left, and that'll thicken things up a little bit. There we go. So you want to kind of do this by ear also, or by eye. Now we'll start running again here. And yes, now I can feel it's a bit thicker. You don't want to overmix this stuff, although sometimes I do. That's probably about right. You don't want to see any white powder on the bottom, so I'm kind of scraping the bottom here with a mixer. And it's not rocket science. Let's turn this off now. And now we're ready to make some pancakes. So for that, you got to get a spatula to get them out. So here's a good spatula that we're going to use. And over here, we'll show you the griddle. So there's the griddle. The first thing I do is put a little bit of butter on it. And if you look over here, there's a pat of butter waiting. So we're going to put that on the griddle like this. And rub it around and don't burn yourself. Even though this is a non-stick griddle, we're going to put some butter on here anyway. And maybe just for good luck. To make sure things go well and don't burn yourself. This thing is about 375 degrees. And now we're ready to pour the pancakes. So I basically just pour little ones here. There's one there. And it's good to let the batter sit about 5 minutes. I always like to let it sit, but since we're doing this in 5 minutes, I don't have 5 minutes to let the batter set, because I said we'd make these in 5 minutes. So I think you'll get thicker pancakes if you let the batter sit for 5 minutes and sort of gestiate and congeal. So these are small pancakes. These will bubble up. And so when these are baking, you basically want to check the bottom of them with a spatula and see how they're going. So these will take about probably 3 minutes to cook. So you want to get a plate ready to put them on. Here's a plate. You almost need a big surface if you got a big family and you want to cook these fast. This is going to make 6 pancakes, and then people are going to say, "Where's more?" So you actually want to get maybe 2 of these things set up to make the pancakes. So I did make this one first. Let's take a look at how it is under here. You can see it's kind of white, so let it cook some more. And there's the bubbles. That's a good sign. You don't want to have any pancake on your spatula. That'll make it hard to get off, so you want to clean off your spatula and make sure it's always good to go. That thing got pancake on it batter because the pancakes aren't done yet. So just doing this many times. Let's take a look at this one here again, number 1 pancake. Okay, take a look at the bottom there. It is getting ready to flip. And once your first one is ready to flip, you can flip them all in a row. So since this is like poured 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's how I flip these. And so when you flip these, go fast underneath it, get the whole pancake and flip it. That one looks pretty good. If you flip it kind of on an angle, you'll get some stuff on the edges here, which you can just cut off, but that makes more work. Here's the next one. Do a fast flip. And that flip wasn't great. Let's do one more here. Flip this over. So that's how to make pancakes. Do the 4th one here. Off it goes. 5th one. Off it goes. And the 6th one. And so then these will sit about a minute or 2, and then you can serve them. And that's really about it. So now you can make pancakes. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.